Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope it is beautiful and bright and sunny where you are. It is finally that way here in Utah. Just a few weeks ago it was still snowing, so I'm really happy that the grass is green again and the flowers are blooming. With all of the weather changes, you might notice my voice sounds a little bit raspy, and I apologize. But today's video, I am sharing with you a spring clean and decorate with me. My bedding and room definitely needed a little sprucing up this spring, a little bit of brightening up as well. So I got a few things at like Home Goods and Ross. Those were the two main places that I got things for my bedroom. The duvet cover I got from Amazon, and I'm just throwing it into the laundry.
Where to push or pull. I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book.
If you have never done this trick with your pillowcase, you should definitely try it out. It helps keep all that dust from getting everywhere in the room. You might still get a little bit, but way less than if you didn't use the pillowcase. It's not very often that I actually move my entire mattress and box spring to get underneath the bed, but I'm really happy I did because I did not realize not only did I have a ton of toys under there, but I also had a lot of dog hair and dust build up underneath the bed that I didn't realize was there, and it's really disgusting.
You're keeping me on. Yeah, I'm strapped in, stuck in a song.
So next I am getting to vacuuming the actual headboard. I really avoid this task or this job because it's a pain in my butt. But the dog hair just like clings to this headboard like nobody's business. So I spent probably a good 10 or 15 minutes, it felt like at least, of vacuuming this darn headboard. Next, I got to vacuuming all that dust and dog hair that I was talking about, and I'll tell you this was no easy task with this big bulky vacuum cleaner, but that's okay, it got the job done.
By so fast, still I'm thinking of you. home. Late nights getting dipping like we're on a home run. Got no worries, no, 'cause we're so young. We were so young. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it like time's been frozen still. Oh, had no worries, no. We were so young. Now you're long gone.
So after I get done vacuuming the entire room, I'm actually moving on to shampooing the carpets. Before I went on vacation, Dexter had a little bit of a number 2 accident that was pretty like watery all over our bedroom floor and all over our hallway in the main part of the house. So the carpets definitely needed a nice deep clean. And I was so thankful that I had this shampooer. I just used the stuff that you get at the store, like the Resolve stuff, nothing too fancy, and it worked out great.
That's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
I can never get good carpet lines by this door just because it's so awkward in the angle that I have to go. I do try my best, but it's difficult. And look at this nastiness that came out of that carpet cleaner. That is disgusting, and that's one room. Just one room. If you guys, oh my goodness, my voice. If you guys shampoo your carpets, how often do you shampoo your carpets? Do you do it as needed, as you feel like the carpets just have a certain feeling to them? Do you do it once or twice a year? Let me know down in the comments. I'd like to know.
guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much.
Moving on to this like just decorative shelf, I was not by any means expecting the dust that I got off of this thing. That white shelf definitely hit it well, and I was really, really surprised.
Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
Now I am lighting this soy candle that I got from Target. It is the sugared melon scent. It's like the perfect scent for spring and summer, and I'm so excited to be lighting it.
wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back in your
I didn't do any major cleaning in this bathroom today, but I did pick up this tray and this little picture word thing from the Target dollar spot. I thought these just kind of finished off this space on my bathroom counter, and I love the way it turned out, even though the toothbrush still isn't the most attractive thing sitting there on the side. Show you the few things that I got for the bed. Oh, I have to go grab the other pillow. But I got these Euro pillows at Home Goods. That's where I found them. And they're pretty big, and they were $30 for 2. I just wanted to mention, make sure if you're looking for something like this to go to the back by like the bedding, because if you look in the pillow area where they keep most of the pillows, like the decorative pillows, you're gonna pay $30 for 1, and this was $30 for 2. And then I found this really pretty blanket. Just felt really like springtime to me. I found this at Ross, and I got it for, I want to say $9. Yeah. So I got this one for $9 or $10 at Ross. And then I have a pillow that matches it. But first, this is just the label for the duvet cover that I got. I am going to link this down in the description box. But it's really, really soft, and it's currently in the dryer. So with this blanket, I got this really pretty pink pillow, which I also paid $10 for. It's not really showing up like true to color in here, but that's okay. The way I chose these colors is I went back and forth from the blankets that they had and then the pillows that they had at Ross. And I found this pillow, and was the material that I liked. It's kind of like a velvety-ish material, or like a microfiber. So then once I picked my pillow, then I went back over to the blankets and chose a blanket that matched the pillow.
That makes you a fuss, but someone's gotta change. If we never ever met before, if I never opened up my door, yeah, 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 yeah. If we never ever got to start, if I never opened up my heart, yeah, 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 yeah. You're about to lose me, just like that, just like that. You're about to lose me. Forever's never gone so fast. It's like you are avoiding me. Don't know what's up with that. I've tried to be the help you need, but I don't think I can. If we never ever met before, if I never opened up my door, yeah, 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 yeah. If we never ever got to start, if I never opened up my heart, yeah, 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 yeah. You're about to lose me.
I absolutely love the way that this turned out. I think the blanket and pillow and the new linens just really scream spring. And for the other seasons, I can just change out that accent pillow and blanket. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you again for understanding with my scratchy voice. Please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future videos to come. Thanks, guys.
Why you gotta be so hard?